Hi, welcome to Future Technos. In this video, we are reviewing the Nikon Z8 camera. In this review, I'll break down what the Z8 offers, where it performs best, where it falls short, and whether it's worth buying in 2025. You'll also find the link for this camera in the description below. The Nikon Z8 is a smaller and lighter version of the Z9. It weighs about 910 grams, which is still solid but more comfortable to handle. This makes it easier to carry for travel or handheld shooting. Unlike the Z9, it does not have a built-in vertical grip, and that helps keep the size down. Even without it, the camera feels balanced and strong in the hand. The body is made from magnesium alloy and carbon fiber. This gives it excellent durability without adding unnecessary weight. The Z8 is also weather-sealed, so it can handle rain, dust, and snow without issues. This makes it a reliable choice for outdoor and challenging shooting conditions. When it comes to ergonomics, Nikon has done a great job. The grip is deep and comfortable, and the buttons are placed in a way that feels natural. It has a dedicated autofocus joystick, customizable function buttons, and dual card slots, one for CF Express Type B and one for SD. This setup is flexible for different workflows and storage needs. If you've used DSLRs or larger mirrorless bodies before, the Z8 will feel very familiar. At the heart of the camera is the same 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame CMOS sensor found in the Z9. This sensor delivers outstanding image quality, dynamic range, and color accuracy. Because it's a stacked sensor, the readout speed is extremely fast. This allows the Z8 to use an electronic shutter only, with no need for a mechanical shutter. The fast readout also means you get almost no rolling shutter, even when shooting fast-moving subjects or in tricky lighting. Image quality is excellent, with high detail, natural colors, and wide dynamic range. You can recover shadows and protect highlights with ease. Low-light performance is also strong. Even at higher ISOs, the noise is well controlled, and raw files remain flexible for editing.